Alright guys, thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today I didn't get any video, but I have some stuff I want to tell you. So I'm just going to throw a few pictures up on the screen. The first picture is an old picture, but basically the same thing I did today. So instead of having 5 or 7 pipes coming up out of the top of the panel, I showed you this last week, one of the 3 other panels. So the panel I was working on today had 3 pipes coming out of the top of it, and then I basically just mounted this strut up the wall again, like in this picture. So the first one was I already mounted the first one like last week. So I went up from there 9 feet, and then up from there 9 feet, and then another one like 3 or 4 feet just before the top of the 90 to give it more support. And then I did the same thing last time, mounted the like 10-foot struts across the top of the ceiling, and then basically just the other pipes were already up there, so I just bent to 90, and then one went left and one went right. Just use the couplings and put those together. So that was the first part of the day, and then the second part of the day, there's a second picture here, which is basically the blueprint that we're just making as we go. So there's basically just like an empty blueprint, and then it's called an as-built, and you basically just mark down what you do. So if you run a pipe, you basically just add a little line, and it says, okay, I put a pipe here. So basically you're just making a blueprint as you go. So here's, I circled the one that I was working on, basically half of the building on the south side. So finishing the outside lights for the most part. I still have a little bit more to do, but they were tearing the floor out because someone messed up or something, so they're cutting the concrete up and tearing it apart or whatever, so I have to get to that later. But I went as far as I could on the southeast side of the building, so basically half the building, finished that half, and then the last little bit of the day, there's a second circle at the top left of the blueprint, and then I was starting to go out of that box, and then there's another 3/4 pipe that is going to be going down the wall, so I started on that, but I might have to use a different lift because it's going to be too far away from the wall and the concrete isn't poured yet, so I need another way to get there. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this, even though it wasn't a physical video at work, but I just want to keep you guys updated and say thanks for the support, up to 920 subscribers, so thank you for all the new subscribers. And I was gonna say on Sunday, I forgot to mention it yesterday, but a few of you guys got triggered that I was doing volunteer work, if you guys couldn't tell. I was just helping a friend out. I usually do that once a year at this event that we go to, so if you guys are saying that I need to be charging whatever some super amount of money, then I don't know if I should be concerned or just find that super hilarious. So anyways guys, just take a chill pill, it's all good. I can do what I want, but anyways, I also respect your opinions, and anyways, I just want to say that, and see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I will get a video for you tomorrow, but let me know if you guys want me to do a live stream soon, maybe on Thursday or Friday, I'm not sure, but I'll try to do something cool for you guys soon. But anyways guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.